Hello and welcome to PH Chemistry. Today's explainer is the atom economy, the green chemistry measure of how efficiently a reaction turns reactants into the desired product. By the end of this, you'll know the formula and the key distinction from percentage yield. The atom economy equals MR of the desired product divided by the total MR of all products times 100. The higher the atom economy, the greener the reaction. Less waste, more of the starting material ending up where you want it. 100% atom economy means no byproducts. Three things. 1. Work with the balanced equation. 2. Only look at products, what you wanted divided by everything that came out. And 3. The atom economy is a theoretical maximum based on the equation itself. It doesn't depend on what you actually achieve in the lab. Common slip. Mixing up atom economy and percentage yield. Atom economy is from the equation. What's theoretically efficient? Yield is from the lab. What you actually got versus what was possible. Both matter, but they measure different things. Quick example, CH4 plus 2O2 goes to CO2 plus 2H2O. Suppose water is the desired product. The MR of water times 2 is 36. So the total MR of the products, 44 plus 36, is 80. From an atom economy perspective, 36 divided by 80 times 100 is 45%. So just under half makes it to water. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.